Now the news where you give me, Papa. Now you way I want blow am so. Hey, Papa, hey. Make all man put volume for up for year. I did throw a salute for all country people for upside where they don't call it just now for before TV. For see the one way on Kudiman, it don't bring up. For that side, for Douala, for Kate, Brazzaville, as they call them so, 6 picking them. They swallow their birth certificate this morning time. Highway fire a cash house, burn all them so inside house country people. Wait till happen for that side, wait till cause fire. We go sabi am that's for inside this story. For that side, for University of Gbeya. This time, Ngondere, when I go, she don't just know like registrar. For that side, they don't put it on top big chair like Madam Register for inside you be for Gbeya. And we go show 2 pictures them for that one country people. Palava Mbanga for inside with Southwest region. We go show una the one with custom officer. They catch them 2 yesterday, the other day. So I should say not yesterday, but Collins never yet confirmed that one. He and George because now then where I be sent up. But custom he cash Mbanga so inside public transport. Where they work at transport them. For that side, for Mudeka, you sabi say Mudeka they for another side for Peage, where you go Douala country peoples. All that to read, then we go join and so give una this time as Madam Kindness. He said, she don't for back machine country people. Make all man a fine chair, she don't put volume for up. Sense story set for today, talk say waiting. The bet where you get them for hand, it better pass 10 where they inside bush. The bet where you hold them for hand, it better pass 10 where they inside bush. Madam Manka Linda, is there for that side for my 4 for Limbe. Now he send we sense to read this evening so country people. Madam Kindness, some red button there for the presser. When we come back, we start blow to read as it happen. As we be the talk country people, we go start to read this sometime now with the strong one way happen so for Tiko Douala Road country people where they cash big traveling back so you want to send a picking their school thing and they inside. When a strong banger, maybe we enter that site, we see our custom cash and so country people for that site for custom checkpoint for Modeka. Where the one reach toll gate between Tiko Douala Road. Madam Kane take we will enter there. We see the big bag as they open arm for see them banger where they inside. Banga for that side, Madam Kine say me we first talk this palava way it don't happen so on top audio story where population too for that side, business people them with the house owners them for inside Mayor Street for Gbeya here. Madam Kine say cry. This sometime they call on Kudiman say the one way council do one for that side, it don't pass order. Say Gbeya council can move their doors. I want us council, they say no, they no get building permit. They rebuild illegally. Now the population they ask and say they will even tell them no. They will give them prior notice. Man, use BB grammar. Say if now you dey inside your house, the joke can move door so say you dey illegally door. Madam Kenneth, if Palava Mbanga don't ready, we go enter there before we come back for Tiwe Gbeya council do. May the not say on Kudiman the destabilize Gbeya. May we see Palava Mbanga. For that side, so for inside Tiko Douala Road. That one done. If you never done Madam Kindness, we go pass on one time. We enter for Madam Kindness, I don't talk say when you use machine for morning time, you do that kind Nyanga get program. Then when you want on Kudiman, wash them. Wash machine before you show on Kudiman. I no go like and say as she don't so machine did also look me. But as we be the talk and country peoples. Make we see this Palava Mbanga where the cash countryman way he don't carry Mbanga inside back. Now that. Better traveling back so you want ask her you say no na pikin close them. You sabi say school this start next week. Where it is so instead of rapping them, Nambanga, where custom then cash am. Now so I get for clap hand, I say congratulate. When police stop motor, they want check back boot. That mommy the way they buy for long him up, say He want show who say no work. He want show who say no work. It waste my time. Do you know where I am going? I have an appointment. When I leave, policeman for do his work. One time, then two they do fine work, even though majority of the time, they do not cutting work. Majority of the time, K2 they do not cutting work. But one time, as you see, and so they catch this BB back banger. You sabi who this banger be the go for? You sabi when the person for smoke, what he for do? We give us say congratulate. How will they catch the people? So carry and go that side for custom office for Limbe. For sure say, but the person so give them first for that side. I sure say they are waiting trial now. For inside law side, for that side for Tico country people as we see and so. Now the bad one that will happen. Madam Kaneme will enter here on the first. This story sweet me plenty. The story sweet me plenty before when they come up for Boyame will enter here one day. Where they catch on two lie in the yo workers. I don't know whether we go call them thief people or lie people for that side for Yaoundé. As in this so, these two country people, they don't come for quarter talk say they be a new worker. If you not pay bill, they go cut you light. If you not pay, they go cut you light. Wait it happen, no. Wait it not happen. Population let's discover and say these two country people na mafia. That way they holler, lie people, thief people, they start run. They run so go hide inside this hole. Madam Kindness go they ask me say why people stand up, they know if you enter inside that hole. Madam Kindness inside that hole, now hole for motor. That hole where they enter inside now hole for motor. And population too, no man if you enter inside motor because one beat man. So population they up the talk say, dear Eneyo people, come up. We just want to talk. Eneyo people say, when I come down, me we talk. Say, I say, Naka. Nakam, my brother. If we be there, some man for longing is purely for Nakam. Them people they too don't talk say this motorway will not enter, so we not get beaten again on top. This motor now are beating. Population say when I come up where where they say when I come up one joke talk, we get bonbon for give una. They say na lie. When I calm down population. Now so all man to just stand there. That's so look up. They say viende. They say na lie. No ne viende pa. Population say viende, they say officer una no. As you see and so now only so they should only manage to one man il has gathered courage so enter inside the motor. As he come out to he give the beating of the motor. Now so we like people. Madam can if I may you put sound, even though they talk now for French, but go find me you put sound. May all man here too how we this thing you know be easy for that side. For Sime Young for inside Yaoundé. When I hear them country peoples.
y a l'autre ici. Voilà, c'est qui? Où il est? Où il est? Celui qui est au centre. Où il est là-bas? Où il est là-bas? C'est qui l'autre? Tu cherches au téléphone. On va te finir. Ils sont. L'homme a dit à la part.
Well, if all man to be the whole grass for the country, Cameroon we don't go for before. We go come out inside Yaoundé now. We enter inside Douala with some bad story to happen this morning time. So for that side, where they call and say Brazzaville country people, fire burn some house with his 6 picking them inside. Where? Oh, now we picking Now we picking we picking don't go left with for who come on Wait till happen for your so country people. Mommy, he come out for morning time. Say he go market. We picking they still sleep. Where that fire come out outside to, or he come on outside to. Fire is na fire wake up picking them for sleep. As they wake up and so they wake up now for heaven one time. Country people 6 picking them so swallow their birth certificate inside this one way happen. So for that site. For Brazzaville, where they call and so for inside Douala country people, we did also talk Asia for family for that site. This one they so it no easy. This one no easy. For say one mamiko she don't so it cry and you want look and so now surely picking the way they can a holiday. Where they begin for go them back surely next week. How they go they explain and now for village or for side where they come out say all them die so one time. Now they country that. Now the country that you want to look at them, they go start investigating. No, now surely light. Because that kind of we begin to be still sleep, you know if it tossing a fire or a gas. Now surely light where they ever create one time. We never still sabiti where cause the fire. Where they that's what talk now surely. But we go come out inside that one, Madam Kindness. We come back inside Beya. We're glad. If we day first for that side for university for inside Beya today. How we Ngondere, where they call and say, Ma Bechem. Now he don't sit up now like new registrar for inside UB for Beya. Now they gonna do that. Dr. Bechem, eso a young tambe. Now they head get that. Where he don't she don't on top. Ogamulwa NSC chair like registrar for UB for Beya. As he did so we kunku my bigi commandia last week. Say he don't change it. And they say Dr. Mulwa he don't be called for other duties. As they ever talk am. Na ma bechem eso e yang tambe. Na ide na le registrar. It means say tawe mi se sefa ko ango te transcript for that site. Na ma bechem mi name go there on top. And they put it for chair today so for that site for UB for Beya. We big man vice chancellor for inside Beya UB SSF. Na iso mulo that own name again na wait Madam Kindness. Well, give me a name now. We go find a name tell una. Now you put it like big woman so register for inside you before Beya. As you see all man it does so give hand for cafe for talk say madam go that's over before for the good work we don't do so te kunku my isep isiam he put you on touch here so country peoples we go come out inside that one now Madam Kindness we enter for that side for a day accident will be happen for day where people don't the overcry say Cameroon it don't be now an accidental country. It then I say, oh, we will become this country now by accident. So they even when man he go sleep with a woman give belle, they want to say it was an accident. Because the accident for the country now every day. If you want to see and say tomorrow, I go show you say the one way happen today because accident happen every day. This one a day where some gongoro way carried a firewood. He lost says he can't carry this 70 sisters so. They already enter say 2 people die for inside this accident. It don't be now for Cameroon. Now one way we go the glass say thank God say now only 2 people die. Because the accident they now it let somebody press button for some side. Well, Asha. Ask ya for all man where they travel now before you want to come out your house. Even of a holy water. Even a one for backside. Even you no believe for the man of God. Joe buys a small one. Put it onto your head. Say, Papa God, as I come out house, so I leave all things for your hand. Because the country now risks. They give risks allowance for this country. You want to come out so every month, government give the give like 100,000 for risks allowance, even though it's small. But you know, say for Cameroon, money no they ever be. It ever been for some people. They give the give risks allowance for this kind of accident the way they happen every day. So country peoples, we leave that palaver. So come back inside Beya now. Talk palaver and Damba. We happen so for that side for my 14 for weekend country peoples. When my 14 don't gather, so under the banda my 14 traditional council in Takwata Cup. Because they say they give peace a chance. Nandamba this way, chief, for inside my 14 the banda, it be launch and so more than about 1 month ago. For launch and say, make peace, it come back for inside my 14, make all money play like one man. As in Damba it happen, so for weekend, they be play semi-final. It means say this Sunday too, so final could come. Sunday number 29. Now you will final go to that side. But for last weekend, as you see, they be play semi-finals. This one, so it is so now these people. Quarter 2, as you see them line up, they win quarter 4, 2 goes to 1. As they win then, so it means say they save their position one time for go meet up quarter 5. For knock final, it means say Sunday for that side for my 14, no go easy. For my 14 go be na helele, even though they tell me to say tomorrow, final 2 for this side for Ndamba, for Bova, yes. For Boyakansu Ndamba 2, their own finals for inside Bova area. Bova community go then tomorrow, and then after tomorrow, Munya community too, they go play their own final for that side for GTTC field. For inside my 17. But this one will show so now my 14 own. So Madam Kindness now we go here how we president for quarter 2. He go Chapia Tori how we glad a day plenty for heart. For this Ndamba way they win and so and they could go face quarter 5 for final for Sunday. May we hear to a president for that side for quarter 2 he talk.
My name is Atebo Kevin. Actually, I'm the president of quarter 2. And I'll be highly elected for this victory. Quarter 2, I first time quarter 2 come inside the quarter 2, so they start launching the quarter my victory. And we already beat us to go to final. I believe we will win the cup. So I don't talk anything except I'll be overwhelmed with joy. I thank my player them, I thank my quarter executive, the chairman, and the quarter head. All them, they did my back and I've been saying enough for them. I don't know what's the level. So I'll be very grateful. I thank all my parents too. Victory on our own, we'll take that cup. I'll be very assured of that. Thank you.
They say the whole idea for inside this palaver. So now for say make living together, it come back. Make peace too, it for inside my 14. As you gave a bit for all side for inside with municipality for Beya, how it council to be the organizing. But this one now for that side for traditional council for my 14 with the organizer. So we go here to how a big man Oga Armstrong when I be chairman for inside my 14 traditional council in Takwata where they organize this Ndamba. So may tell we the whole thing we make a medicine Ndamba he play down. So we hear something country peoples.
So we there for the Banda Palace. We don't mobilize the youth them. We see how we go play the tournament, the final, and then we'll see how peace could return back for the Banda. So the final could be on the 29th of this month. That is August. So animation will start take place around 12 p.m. and then the kickoff of the match will take place at 3 p.m. Yeah. So the two teams there they qualifying quarter 2 and quarter 5. So now they could play the final. So we just wish them the best. And we just hope say after the match, peace will return back for Juvanda.
We don't hear them. As I be the talk, I'm country people for inside Beya Council their own Ndamba Palava where they don't organize and so for inside municipality. Tomorrow, finance he go to play for that side for Bova. Where Bova community he go to play own. Then after tomorrow, Namuya community they go to play to their own so for inside Palava final before all man he go gather can play Super Cup. You know say Bojongo too he dey on side. And even Beya too, he did the where they go join all together, play this Ndamba. So, for see man way he go win for inside this holiday. For see how we then too they go join money, send picking for school. And peace, he go for before. As all we done the cry and for the past 4 years now, so they cry Palava peace. Njoka too, you know the finish for inside Beya. Madam Kindness, I be the tell Klo the other day, say for Saturday, we get for go Njoka sumo. For inside that side for piano network piano bar for inside Beya here where they only for corner with Tori House here country people. Sumon Joka he did it for Saturday where they say Igo Nyame Yisep he go come down for make Palava is sweet people for skin. So for Saturday number 28 day all week go there so Madam Kindness you go play and sumo may we hear to even have a customer them for that side they glad and they wait we go Nyame Tron for inside network piano bar for Beya. Una hear something country peoples.
My name is Divine Jimu for Dr. Divine Jimu for UB. Yeah, when after work, now here they can relax, and it's a very nice place for every person who come to Skowaram. So the past weeks we enjoy all the guys when they come. This week we expect Ugo Nyame. We will come chill with good music, and besides we get good chicken and other things we would exploit for this place. So I invite all population for Boya to come enjoy with us on Saturday where Igo Nyame they come.
Pardon, madame, ye. Ouvre-moi la porte, oui. Ayo et Moutoudou Antememoye. Salut, je suis l'artiste Ugo Nyame. Je vous donne rendez-vous au Hotman Piano Bar à Beya, ce 28 août. Venez nombreux. Bye bye.
Network piano bar, it is that's for corner with Tori House here. After you pass this petrol station, where they for corner high TV in Ndongame house, so where they call and say Goshen. For that play way 48 GJ Spice, it be day. You know say the spices they don't plenty. For that side with GJ Spice, it be day. Now for the way network piano bar, it did it and then Joker, it could did it for Saturday country peoples. I'm glad plenty we all man we follow Tori, especially the one they on top Facebook. Even my own brother, APM Global, where they follow Tori, trong all time. The one the way they watch them for that side for Dubai. I never forget the one them for inside America. I the throw away salute. Tomorrow, now another time where we go meet up again for Blow Tori. So if only Papa got, he go leave him. Sense Tori for today. Talk to it. They bet where you get them for hand. He better pass 10,000 where they for bush. They bet where you get them for hand. He better pass 10,000 way a day for bush. Ngondere where they call and say Manka Linda for that side for my 4 inside Limbe. Now we send story this evening. So my own country people. Telephone number is there under your screen. The one where you get them for your side. You call on Kudiman. We go Kande one time for see how it Tori. It go make country go that's for before. And so we see even the Ndongame where the pass for inside WhatsApp as we get Ngomba house. So you feel that's what text on Kudiman for WhatsApp say on Kudiman. May we do have for that Ngando. Now so we go join you two country people for see how it Tori the pass sharp. You feel go search for Facebook High TV Cameroon for follow Tori all time as it happen my own country people. My own name. Now on Kudiman. Una bye bye.